previous video where I have discussed the lessons that you have in 7th class science. Okay, so we have from this session we will start our lesson. Okay, lesson in your science. So the first lesson in 7th class science is food components. Okay, so food components I think you already know because you have already studied in 6th class our food. The first lesson of 6th class is our food. So everybody know what are different types of foods, what are different variety of foods, how they are prepared, what ingredients are used in it. Okay, what are spices, what are condiments, what is preservation of food. So you all know those basic things. Yes. So in 7th class, so there is detailed discussion about these foods. So you all know that if we eat food, we get energy. Yes. So what is that energy? How we are getting energy? So what is giving energy to us? If we eat one particular food, we get more energy. If we eat junk food, we don't get energy. We get fat. Okay, so how we are knowing it? What are the components that are giving us the energy? That we will see in this 7th class. So you all know that if we eat food, then only you get energy. Yes. So energy is required, or energy is needed to make several things or several activities. Yes. So like if you want to walk, if you want to talk, if you want to jump, if you want to fight, you need some energy to do. Yes. So to perform some activities, you need energy. Yes. So while there is one question in your book, while sleeping, do you need energy or not? So the answer for this question is yes, because while sleeping you are not doing any work physically, but you are breathing, your heart continuously beats, and your blood is circulated all over your body, and kidneys are doing their function. Yes, so these are all the activities done by our body. So our body also needs energy to perform these activities. Okay, if you eat food, you get energy. Okay, so what kind of food gives you more energy? What kind of food will give you less energy? What is healthy, what is not healthy, that we will see in this lesson. Okay, so to move on to the lesson, you have some activities to do. Like in your 6th class, you have some activities and tables to fill. The same way in your 7th class also you have some activities from which you will know some information. Okay. Okay. The first activity, let us do one. I already discussed, like while sleeping, do you need energy? While sleeping, what are the activities that takes place in our body? So let us do 2. That is activity 2. What is given is listing out food components. Okay, so in 6th class you have done the same table, but you noted down the ingredients that are required, or the items or the components raw materials which are required to make one dish. Okay, but in this activity you have to observe any packaged food. Okay, whether it is chips packet, or whether it is Maggi packet, or whether it is a fruit juice packet, anything, you observe that and you fill the table which I will show now. Okay, so in your book the figure 2 is given as, see, this is the packet of milk powder. Okay, so if you see this packet, any packet, either on the sides or at the back, you will find this table written. Okay, so this is the information regarding the food components that are present in one particular food packet or that particular food item. Okay, so if you take this protein, carbohydrate, sugar, fats, so these are all called food components. Okay, so these give us nutrients, or these give us energy. So these food components are different in each of the packet. Okay, so now you have to fill this table, writing, like take any any packaged food. So you can find this table at the top or at the sides of the packet. Okay, whatever food item you are taking, that you write here name of the food item, and you will find the same table, same kind of table in the packet you observe. Okay, either you take Lays, either you take mango juice or Maggi packet. So you will find this table and see the table and fill all these columns. Okay, so these you have to fill, and you will know, see, like proteins 4 4 5 it is given in this packet, but you write the same here in the first column. Second, third, fourth you write on your own. Okay, so you take any 3 food packets. In that, what is the percentage, or what is the amount of carbohydrates present, or what is the percentage of, or the amount of protein present, you have to fill in this. Okay, so you have seen different food components that will be present in each and every food item. Okay, so the basic food components are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, sugars, okay, and vitamins, minerals. Okay, so these are common or essential, like which are compulsorily needed for your body. Okay, so these are different food components that you find in each and every food item. Okay, so like if we cook the food in our home, we don't know exactly how much amount or what is the percentage of carbohydrates present in it, or what is the percentage of proteins present in it. But in packed food, they will know, and they will give as a label behind the packet. Okay, so these carbohydrates, proteins, fats, sugars, vitamins, minerals, so these are all very important for our body to get nutrients. Okay, so these are also called nutrients. So when you get nutrients only, the body gets energy to perform all the activities. Okay, so in next session we will see what which food item has what food components, which is high, which is low, that we will see in next lesson, next session, by doing some experiments. Okay, so till then read this lesson till here if you have textbooks, and note down the important points on the homework in your notebook. Thank you.